Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Today, we're gonna start with the sand video update, and boy, what a ride has it been! Yesterday, I did tell you guys. 2 days, I told you, start taking out your profits and run away. But many people came in, they disliked the video, and they were like, "Oh no, you don't know what you're talking about. Sand is gonna go to $10, this and that. It's not gonna come down here." Back in the very first video ever that I made about sand, when it was 6.7. I did say it seems likely that it's going to go to the 4.7 back in the days, and people saw it going to the $8 and they thought, oh no, it's going to continue towards the upside. But then again, there's a psychological number. When you see $8, your brain is going to tell you 10, and that's where the crypto can deceive so many people. It's just like Bitcoin went to 19K. People thought it's going to go to 20K back in 2017. Do you understand that? So there's a psychological number that can deceive you, that can trick you. Now here we are, and yesterday on my Discord channel as well, I even updated about sand here, and this was, I'm gonna open up this image and zoom in and look. It was at $6.6, and I said this is a kiss of death, guys. Okay, it was a kiss of death. So you see, kiss of death ahead, and just kiss. It's like death came in, kissed it, and took it along with it for the death. Okay, took the soul away, and brought the prices all the way towards the downside. Okay, now the technical target. I'm not gonna go into any big stories. I'm not gonna get into any longer confusing stories. It was simple. Break down and look. People say technical analysis doesn't work. Here I am proving to you that it does work. We broke down, then why did we just remain below this support level? Look, the line that I draw, why did it never go above it? Look at that. It just stayed there until it was rejected, had a kiss of death, and then went all the way down. So the technical target for this one, of course, is when you take the top to the bottom and then you drop it down. I'm just going to do it once again for you. Now I'm going to remove this one right there, and I'm going to remove this one right here, just to give you the example. So once again, the top all the way to the bottom, wherever you break out, this is where you've actually broke out, right on the money. 4.77, let's say $4.8 is going to be your target, which is pretty much guaranteed that you're gonna go down there because of the descending triangle. Do you understand that? Now, the only way to abandon this price target right here, the only way to ignore it, is if you actually go back up, cross the $6.7, back test it, and then continue, and then this completely gets abandoned. So in my opinion, this is a very, very logical level. If I zoom out of here, and I'm going to show you why, because of a particular trend line that is forming right now. And I'm pretty sure what sand is trying to do is went up, came down, touched the trend line, went up from the trend line, near the trend line right here, go up and come back, maybe touch the trend line once again, and then from here it is going to continue maybe again towards the upside. But of course we're going to see that. Now the next best buying place is 4.7. There's one more thing. People don't like it when I say the prices are going to go down. There's something I want to tell you, that change your mindset here. When you're trading, either way, if the prices go up, you win. If the prices go down, you win. If you know technical analysis. Why? When the prices go up, you're increasing the dollars. Do you understand that? When you have dollars, your money goes up. But when the prices are going down, this was an opportunity for you when I told you to sell it, that you could sell it at 6.7, and it can always go back to the 4.7 and you can save some money. So how are you benefiting when the prices go down? Okay, the only way you're benefiting is when it goes up, you increase the money, and when it goes down, you're increasing the bag of sand. So let's say you sold 100 sand at 6.7. Okay, the day you're gonna go back and buy at 4.7, guys, you're gonna get nearly 130 cents. So you're increasing extra 30 cent for you for the next leg towards the upside. Do you understand that? So there's nothing wrong. It just depends on how you look at the market and how you're playing your cards and your games. It depends on the mindset. So technical analysis is amazing. There's no losing here. There's no losing. You know it. You know it's gonna go down. Sell it. Buy back low. Simple theory right there. And I hope you enjoyed this one. And thank you for subscribing. Make sure you're joining the Discord channel as well, so that the updates. Sometimes I'm gonna be giving random shout outs, like small critical messages that, hey, this is really it, we're going down, or this is really it, we're abandoning the view. Let's say we do abandon this view. I might just give the call on Discord as well and say, hey, we're going up. So the thing is, at the moment, yes, the pressure is all the way towards the downside, and that's your next target in the buying area as well. And let's see, this is also your swing high right there. So it does make sense to come back here, touch it, and this is your trend line as well. Touch the trend line, and that's it. I do think that's gonna be a very, very good buying area. I'm gonna try to put some bidding right there. Okay, start buying right from here. Until then, I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.